Imagine the Hubble Space Telescope, orbiting Earth for over 3 decades, suddenly hitting a critical snag. It's now in safe mode, a protective pause triggered by a failing gyroscope essential for its mission to peer into the cosmic depths. This incident highlights not just the challenges of maintaining aging space tech, but also sparks a crucial conversation about the future of space exploration. How do we preserve such an invaluable tool? Can private missions help? In this video, we dive deep into Hubble's recent troubles, NASA's innovative responses, and the burgeoning role of private companies in space maintenance. This is a tale of technology tenacity and the tireless pursuit of celestial knowledge. The Hubble Space Telescope, one of humanity's most iconic tools for exploring the cosmos, recently faced a significant setback. As it transitioned into safe mode, the immediate cause was traced back to a malfunction in one of its critical gyroscopes. These devices are pivotal as they allow Hubble to maintain its orientation and point precisely across the vast expanses of space, crucial for capturing detailed astronomical data. In its over 30 years of service, Hubble was equipped with 6 gyroscopes, with the expectation that they would need replacement over time due to wear and tear in the harsh conditions of space. During its last servicing mission in 2009, astronauts installed 6 brand new gyroscopes, with 3 serving as active devices and 3 kept in reserve. Over the years, the gyroscopes have degraded. The first of the new set failed in 2014, followed by 2 more in 2018. Now, with another showing faulty telemetry, Hubble's ability to perform at full capacity has been compromised. This situation underscores the ongoing challenges of maintaining aging space infrastructure. Gyroscopes are not simple replacements that can be handled remotely. They require precise mechanical work, typically done during manned missions, which have become rarer since the retirement of the Space Shuttle program. The current malfunction places the telescope in a precarious position, as operating below the threshold of 3 functional gyroscopes forces Hubble into a minimal activity state, significantly hindering its scientific output. NASA's engineers are currently assessing whether the malfunctioning gyroscope can be recovered through remote commands or algorithm adjustments. If not, they may need to switch to the 2 gyroscope mode, which allows continued operation but with reduced pointing precision and potentially limiting the types of observations Hubble can perform. This adaptation reflects a broader narrative of resilience and innovation, but also highlights the inevitable decline of mechanical systems in space. In the wake of Hubble's recent troubles, NASA's strategic response has been both immediate and forward-looking. During their latest press conference, agency officials laid out a plan that not only addresses the current gyroscope issue, but also reiterates their commitment to Hubble's long-term functionality. The space agency is determined to maintain the telescope's operation through this decade and possibly the next, an ambitious goal considering the telescope's age and the mechanical wear it has endured. This commitment involves exploring operational modes that rely on fewer than the traditional 3 gyroscopes. Such modes would allow Hubble to continue its scientific missions, albeit at a potentially reduced capacity. These adjustments require innovative engineering solutions and a reevaluation of what can be realistically expected from the aging observatory. The ability to shift operational strategies in response to equipment failure demonstrates NASA's flexibility and ingenuity in managing space assets. Moreover, NASA's plans include not just technical adaptations but also strategic collaborations. The possibility of involving private sector missions to service and possibly upgrade Hubble presents a new paradigm in space exploration logistics. This approach could supplement NASA's capabilities, potentially extending Hubble's operational life beyond initial expectations and allowing it to continue contributing valuable data to the scientific community. The agency's proactive stance is crucial not only for maintaining Hubble's contributions to astronomy, but also for setting precedents on how aging satellites and other space instruments are managed moving forward. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, the lessons learned from handling Hubble's challenges will inform future missions, both manned and robotic, in dealing with similar issues. proposal by entrepreneur Isaacman to lead a private mission to service the Hubble Space Telescope marks a potentially transformative moment in space exploration. This initiative highlights the increasing role of private companies in areas traditionally dominated by national space agencies. Isaacman's mission, if successful, could become the first private endeavor to service a major space telescope, paving the way for a new model of space operations. The technical challenges of such a mission are significant. The SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule, designated for this task, lacks certain features essential for traditional servicing missions, such as a robotic arm or an airlock. These limitations necessitate that all astronauts participate in spacewalks, a risky operation considering that roughly 20% of spacewalks encounter significant issues. For example, European Space Agency astronaut Luca Parmitano experienced a life-threatening incident in 2013 when his helmet filled with water during a spacewalk. Despite these risks, the potential benefits of a successful private servicing mission are considerable. Extending Hubble's life would not only ensure continued scientific discoveries, but also demonstrate the viability of private-public partnerships in space exploration. Such collaborations could accelerate the pace of innovation and expand our capabilities in space more rapidly than public agencies operating alone. Moreover, this mission could set a precedent for how aging infrastructure in space is maintained, potentially leading to more frequent and cost-effective servicing missions. The involvement of private entities could also spur advancements in spacewalk safety and servicing technology. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the challenges and innovations surrounding the Hubble Space Telescope. As we discussed, the path forward is paved with both uncertainties and exciting possibilities. The intersection of public interest and private enterprise in space exploration may well redefine how we maintain and utilize our off-world assets. Hubble's story is far from over. It's evolving, adapting, and continuing to inspire us all. Stay curious, keep looking up, and keep questioning. Because when it comes to exploring the universe, every challenge leads us to new discoveries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more introducing new subject. See you next time.